Hi there! Today we are going to make a flying bird. So are you excited for this one? Well then, let's see what do we have in our book. Yes, we see a few instructions right here and all we have to do is follow them and start making our bird. The materials required for this one are craft paper, scissor, glue, stencil and pencil. Let's start making our bird now. Let's take our stencil at first and then make an 8 cm radius circle. Yes, after that, let's cut this. Complete cutting this slowly and nicely. Once we are done with that, we will start with the folding, for which we will start by folding this circle into a semicircle at first. After that, let's see what do we have. Well, yes, we have a line in the middle, and why don't we cut on top of this line? Go very slow. That is amazing. Once we are done with this, let's fold it from the middle again. Yes, we are going to open the semicircle at first and then get these flaps inwards. Just like this. So, the bottom line needs to come right on top of the center line. And finally, let's fold this from the center as well. This is amazing. Now, we are going to cut this slit right here. And after that, we will start folding this. So, this bottom part will go on top like this and on the other side as well. Yes, we are going to back flap upwards. After that, we are going to take the tip of the cone inside as shown to make the face of the bird. And then let's make a circle for the eyes. And look, our bird is ready. Yes, it's ready to fly.